Welcome back if you've seen a video or two from this channel. If you're new, thanks for joining in and clicking on this video. I know there's probably thousands of other things you could be watching right now, so thanks for your time. What you see here is a 1984 Toyota Corolla that I've worked over with some tools to clean up a lot of the metal and remove a lot of the sound deadening that you can see here. It's quite a bit. I've also cut out a floor pan in the rear and suspension mounting points for the solid axle. There's a whole plan behind this, and you can see here a piece of frame rail that comes from a C5 Corvette. I've got the rear cradle also sitting here, and that'll be the suspension system that goes in this car. So there's the suspension plans laid out. What I'd like to talk to you about now, though, is the engine plan, which is a little bit different from anything else you've probably seen in a Toyota Corolla. And that's this. It's a 2013 Honda CRX 1300, and it makes about 100 horsepower right now in stock form. It's a V4 layout, and it has a shaft drive output for this particular power unit. I picked it up off a Copart yesterday and got it here to the house and off of a U-Haul trailer. Good times. Right now it looks like it has a 7,000 RPM soft redline and an 8,000 RPM fuel cut from the factory. The engine in this bike is shared with the ST 1300, and that bike had 1,000 RPM higher redline, and it was retuned for the CTX newer versions for lower end torque. So, we'll see about parts compatibility and everything else in the future. For now, you can tell, there's an engine, there's a transmission, there's an output shaft, a wiring harness, ECU, maybe a gauge cluster to at least start with. But I've got essentially a working drive line that I'll go ahead and figure out how I can mount it up in this body shell that I've gotten prepped here. So thanks for watching this short little video vlog style of an update about the car, and look forward to you watching more. Thanks.